again. It takes
Everybody get hurt?
Yes.
Yeah, no injuries. Just I'm going to the start. Just happened. I got to put the legs out. Trying to get some squats. Falling in all the way. Trying to get they can return to special unit.
Yankee, is it called Pepsi?
Maybe a rope. Maybe it'll be a rope. Yeah, but no injuries. Okay, fine.
Block here, but about 3 houses over. I saw him go, oh, and he went.
What was your first reaction? Like, uh-oh.
I didn't know what happened. I thought maybe he can pick himself up with the arm. But I guess he didn't.
Oh.
That arm is resting on the foundation of a house.
Who called 911?
Another young man was
Where was the driver when this happened?
in the side of the truck. The truck didn't fall; it lay down.
Right.
And the other side of the arm is resting on a foundation of the house.